Vineet Bojlinkar on Jio Finance. In a market, Vineet, which is trending lower and have all sorts of problems, here is Jio Finance hitting a record high on consistent volumes. How do you see this against the backdrop of what's happening in mid cap and small caps? And is this a buy at current levels?
Very difficult to take a call on a counter like Jio Finance. But I will tell you a couple of things is that, the way the Jio was rolled out in the Indian markets, right? And they spearheaded to millions of users in a very short span of time. I think that base is going to serve as a very strong uh, pillar or base foundation on which Jio Finance will be launched. So there will be a plethora of advertising followed with vacating of space by Paytm, and Jio Finance is coming in with BlackRock as their mutual fund partner. Obviously, they are going to do some kind of granular models for investing in shares, which will help them to ramp up mutual fund distribution using their platform. That's also going to be a very important aspect for launching their their payment wallet, because they have the entire wherewithal. You have retail, you have entertainment, and you have basic internet. So all these services, along with mobile, are going to provide them with a formidable platform that the market will have to contend with. And so I think that this these stocks will continue to move up uh, until and unless the management does not put out its concrete plans on paper. And we know that Reliance always has grand plans. So I believe that, keeping in the rationale of how Geo has been unfolded, how Reliance retail has shaped up to become a billion-dollar company in the unlisted market, I think Geo Finance is going to go in the same way. So we would be looking to buy these stocks on any declines that happen.
Okay. For the moment, you see a very sharp uptick on Geo, and that's also backed by huge volume. So far, about 661 crores of Geo Finance has been traded at a record high. Coming to you, Ashish, because you manage a PMS, as also you are a fabulous techno fund analyst. What do you think of Geo Finance at current levels? Do we wait for better prices, or is this a momentum purchase?
So as a disclosure, we hold Geo Financials in our portfolio, and I think that's a switch we took almost 1.5 months back, and I think stock is hitting fresh all-time high after a very strong consolidation with very strong volume activity. So yes, my sense is it could be a good momentum play at this point of time, and there is a decisive breakout which has happened at 350 levels. So my sense is till the time the stock trades above 350, there is a strong likelihood we might see move extending towards 400 odd levels. As far as fresh entry is concerned, or this is concerned, I think this is more of a momentum, and we need to understand it is performing in an environment where most of the market, and particularly most of these NBFCs, are under stress, and this could be a good I think momentum play, at least from a short to medium term perspective. So with 350 as an broad stop loss, I think stock is it looks good for another 8 to 10% kind of upside from current levels.
Okay, let's get Ayush as well in on GeoFin and help us understand what do the technical charts really suggest. What could be the next immediate targets? It's already at record highs. Where do you see the next targets on GeoFin now, Ayush?
Well, I'm on board with Vineet and Ashish. Again, the stock has performed really well, and it has given the breakout on all time frames, be it daily, weekly, monthly. Even in yesterday's trading session, it has given an important breakout of 350 levels and currently trading at 370. Well, the stock is definitely positive. Those who are holding the position should continue to hold it by keeping a strict stop loss of 348. The targets I'm seeing here, the first target I'm looking here is 391. If that is crossed, then 400 is on the cards.